Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about how you can easily find the best and most trusted sellers on Pandabuy. So what you need to do is you need to go onto subreddit called r/fashion reps, and you need to go onto the menu on the side and see this part that says trusted vendors. Now once you open it, you go onto trusted sellers and see here you will find a list of different products that you maybe want. And when you find a product that you want, you would just simply click on the link to that product, and here you will see a bunch of different stores for a bunch of different products. Now if we go on to one of these links, so let's just say this one, it will open up the store, so the store that this person has. And once we open the store, we will simply find the product that we like. So let's just say these sneakers, and as you can see here we have a order link. So we will just what you just need to do is you need to copy this link into Pandabuy and then just go through the process of purchase on Pandabuy. So when you copy the link into Pandabuy, it will open the product, and then you can just go from there. You can order it and ship it to the Pandabuy warehouse, and from there ship it to yourself. So yeah, this is the best way to find trusted sellers. There are a lot of different sellers on the Fashion Reps list, and you can certainly find whatever you need. So thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.